name is Brooke Owen, and she can't stop sneezing. The sneezes just keep on coming. Brooke is 16 years old and lives in Asheville, North Carolina. Incredibly, her nonstop sneezing started more than 2 years ago. Sometimes it gets so bad, she sneezes as much as 60 times per minute. That's once every second. Doctors have called it a medical mystery. Endless allergy tests and nose and throat exams have turned up nothing. She's even tried home remedies like drinking hot sauce. Now neurologists at Wake Forest University are scanning Brooke's brain in the latest attempt to find a cure for her nonstop sneezing. If all this sounds familiar, remember Jennifer Mee and her nonstop hiccuping?
No.
Inside Edition viewers inundated us with suggestions on how to cure her problem, and just last week, the 15-year-old finally got rid of the hiccups. Now Brooke Owens wants your help with her nonstop sneezing.
Any suggestions at all?
Go to a hospital. Jesus Christ.